In this lecture, we will examine the factors that influence management, motivation, and the performance of the workforce. In every organization, performance does not depend only on systems, targets, or procedures. It also depends on people, the way employees are managed, the extent to which they feel motivated, and the support they receive all have a direct effect. Motivation in the workplace is especially important because motivated employees are more likely to work productively and remain committed. When motivation is strong, a business benefits from higher productivity, improved quality, and stronger competitiveness. Let us begin with the main theories of motivation. The first is Maslow's hierarchy of needs. Maslow suggested that people are motivated by different levels of need, starting with basic needs such as pay and security. Once satisfied, employees seek belonging and recognition. Basic concerns like income must be addressed before higher needs can motivate. The second is Herzberg's two-factor theory. He argued that some factors prevent dissatisfaction, while others actively create motivation. Hygiene factors like pay prevent dissatisfaction, but real motivation comes from achievement, recognition, and responsibility. The third is Taylor's scientific management theory. Taylor believed employees are mainly motivated by financial reward. This approach uses close supervision and task specialization. It is effective for output but ignores human relationships. The fourth is Mayo's human relations approach. Mayo argued that employees are not motivated by money alone. They are influenced by social interaction and the feeling of being valued. Performance improves when people feel respected. Together, these theories show that performance is influenced by financial factors, relationships, and working conditions. Let us now look at financial motivators. Regular pay provides security and rewards employees for their contribution. Commission links pay to results, while profit sharing gives employees a stake in the success of the business. Now let us turn to non-financial motivators. Recognition is key. Employees want their work to be noticed. Promotion offers career growth, while training shows the business values future development and confidence. Job enrichment adds challenge, and flexible working supports a healthy work-life balance for employees. Pearson also requires an understanding of techniques to meet skills requirements, such as recruitment and upskilling. Recruitment brings in new expertise, while reskilling helps existing employees adapt to new technologies. Changing job roles uses strengths more effectively, and restructuring aligns the workforce with future business needs. We now come to training and development, the process of improving skills to support organizational goals. An important part is training needs analysis, which identifies skill gaps to ensure resources are properly directed. There are several main types of training. Internal training is tailored to the business, while external brings fresh perspectives. On-the-job training allows skills to be applied immediately, whereas off-the-job training provides space to focus on learning. Mentoring involves long-term guidance, while coaching is usually short-term and focused on specific performance aspects. Training increases competence and confidence, but it must be properly planned and relevant to be truly effective. The final part is performance appraisal, a systematic review of an employee's work against agreed standards. It involves setting targets, assessing performance, and providing feedback to identify necessary training needs. There are several types of appraisal. Self-assessment encourages responsibility, while management by objectives improves focus. Rating scales create consistent comparisons, while 360-degree appraisal gathers feedback from managers and colleagues. Appraisals increase motivation for the individual and support better workforce planning for the business. To conclude, management, motivation, and performance are connected. Motivation theories explain why people behave differently at work. Thank you for watching this lecture. I look forward to seeing you in the next one.